In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download Telegram videos on mobile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Telegram app, and then if you want to download video from some conversation, group chat or Telegram channel, first of all you need to get into chat channel or conversation, and then the easiest way to find a video that you want to download is top right here at channels or conversations name, and that will show you all media files right here. And then once you find a video that you want to download, you can just play that video, then just hit at these three dots at the top right and select save video. And what that will do, that will save that particular video from that conversation to your Photos app. You can open up Photos, and that's where you can easily find the video you have just downloaded. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.